Hey, and welcome to this week's episode of the Shamir Shah Project. If you've been thinking to yourself, I would love to go hiking onto beautiful natural trails, but I don't know where to start. I don't know where to go. Do I have the time? Will I be safe? Then carry on watching. If you've never hiked before, start with this one simple rule. I found a beautiful log. It's a proper tree, a tree trunk that's come down over the years, and I'm surrounded by absolutely stunning nature. There's a road not too far from here. I could see exactly why you would love to get out hiking, but have the other issues of time, where to go, where do I start, safety and all that, as I've mentioned. However, it's probably even more difficult if you've never been hiking before, and as an adult you want to start now. So it might be a little bit more complicated. You need a bit more encouragement, a little bit more push. You see, I started hiking at a very young age. I think I was about 11 years old. I started exploring the local woods near me. I started going into various nature reserves and parks and forests and woodlands, just exploring near my house where I grew up. But over time, what I did, I started going further out, further afield. I started hiking more, meaning putting in a couple of miles. I started cycling more, and it absolutely changed everything about how I spent my time during my childhood. I started doing a lot of outdoor activities, and by the age of 13 I was cycling on my BMX to my friends' houses, probably about 10-15 miles away from me. And this was at the age of 13, on my own, and without consent of my parents half the time, and without any way of communicating with them if safety was an issue or something else came up. There were no mobile phones back then, so it was a case of just living life, just getting out there and doing the things I loved. So because I've started at a young age, going out into the outdoors now is not a problem. In fact, I absolutely love it. I cherish it. I am keen to get out every week because I've grown up learning about it, enjoying it, and pursuing various outdoor activities. By the age of 13, I'd actually gone on my first solo overnight hike. So I hiked and I camped out on my own without my parents knowing. And I did say I was staying at a friend's house just because I didn't want to worry them. And I spent a night out in a tent and hiked back the next day, and they didn't know any better. So I've grown up with it over the years, across 3 different continents, in Africa, in the US, and in Europe. So because I know what it feels like, I'm not afraid to get out now and keep going out now and enjoy going out now. But I can understand if you're starting out in hiking, exploring, getting into nature, deep nature, I can understand as an adult how you may have various questions going on in your mind, thinking about things, and that is probably what is stopping you from getting out. So I do have one simple rule, which I'm going to give you very soon, to help you understand that you should get out, you should enjoy nature, you will build confidence, but start with this one simple rule. I can honestly say it is a very, very simple thing. So if you commit to it today, open up Google Maps, find 4 places of natural beauty. Could be a woodland, could be a forest, could be a nature reserve, could be vast open space, could be your local park. Doesn't matter. Find 4 beautiful local places, and hopefully with varied habitat, meaning woodland, nature reserve, open space, etc. Go into Google, open these places up, have a look at them, see how far they are from you, and commit to a time, a date, every week for 1 to 2 hours. Literally, that's it. Commit to it for 1 to 2 hours. I can guarantee you, after the 4th week, it will become a bit of an addiction. You will not want to not go out into nature and make up the excuses in your mind to say, right, I can't do this, or I have something else going on. Because you've committed, you can go. It doesn't have to be the exact same time, exact same day, but it can be any time, any day, but once a week. Just commit to that and get the ball rolling. So you've got to promise me today, open up Google Maps, find 4 places of natural habitat, and once every week for a month, go out for 1 to 2 hours. That's it. That's all I say. And if you do that, I can honestly say you will start loving getting out there and into nature, and you will feel good about going hiking, whether solo, with a group, or with myself. That's entirely up to you. But I can guarantee it will change your mindset, and you will feel a lot better about doing it. So try that. Go into Google Maps today and look at 4 places. I can tell nobody's been on some of these trails for a very, very long time. It's really overgrown. It is still very dry because of the heat wave we've had recently. But look at this. How beautiful is this scene? Absolutely gorgeous. With the light filtering through, hitting the bush at the bottom, all the bramble folding over on the sides. Absolutely gorgeous. The biggest mistake you're probably making right now is planting subconscious excuses for yourself in your mind, which is refraining you from actually getting out. Get rid of those excuses, open your mind, and just commit. This section of the woodland obviously caught fire during the heat wave at some point. Wow. Right folks, I've done my 2-hour walk. It's a place that's beloved to me. I love it. It's only 20 minutes from my house and I've been here 1 hour 45 minutes. I've really enjoyed it. It's been a nice walk, about 3 miles all in all, with sitting, enjoying, having my me time, I guess. But I hope you found this of some value, and if you did, then please remember, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you've enjoyed it, and remember, on top of that, if you want to get out hiking, then it's very easy. Remember, go onto Google, find 4 places local to you, go out there once a week for 1 to 2 hours, so 4 places in a month, and make it convenient for yourself. That will help you build the confidence. Okay, I will see you on the next one. Peace.